welcome back in my channel. My name is Dory and I make soap and candles, and here we are today. I'm super excited to see you again. We're gonna do an activated charcoal soap for today. So first of all, I mix all my oils together, solid and liquid. So I warm up my solid oil on the double boiler and then I mix everything together. And here I'm just measuring my fragrance oil in advance, so it's done and I don't need to do it after. Next, we are mixing the lye, so you really want to be careful with that one and be fully covered to do that. I let it sit for a couple of hours before, so it's at 10 degrees apart from my oil temperature, so that makes it easier to process after. And I'm gonna bring it to kind of a light to medium trace for today. I don't need to do any design or any mix inside, so I want it a little bit thicker, as you can see. And then I'm gonna just mix the activated charcoal. So you'll see I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess there, but that's okay. Everything is fixable. And at the end, I ended up using everything I threw it in there. So you see I'm just removing a little bit and I'm gonna put it back after. And then I'm gonna just give it a nice mix, burp the mixer so there is no bubble in there. And I'm gonna keep on mixing until I have that medium thick trace. Then I'm gonna add my fragrance oil. I like to add them after, when the soap is already like tracing, so apparently it gets a better scent after. And we can all admire my beautiful pajamas there. I didn't see how off center I was, but that's fine. I guess we all do that in pajama, right? Or the other one, who cares? Whatever. And here we're gonna pour everything in the mold. As slow as you can, so you don't have too much bubble going in there, but yeah, I'm just pouring the thing. And then we're gonna give it a good shake so all the bubbles are going back up. You can spray it with alcohol. I don't believe I have the clip in here, but yeah, I usually spray them. So that's the first design I was going for, and didn't go as planned. And when I asked my partner how it looked like, he told me it looks like poop waves basically. So I changed it after, but you can see that you still have a little bit of time to work out on your soap, but not too much. So here I was really pushing the limits, but at the end I like the design on the top. So yeah, and don't forget, it's just soap, so there's like, who cares, it's just soap. So at the end I went for a really easy and simple design, but I think I like it actually. It looks really great with the soap. Down. Just back here. Okay, so we push. And then we're gonna have to squeeze it a little bit because it's a cheap cutter, so it doesn't do a great clean it.
Good, and then go to the next slit.
Push it.
Oh, but why can't you use the other slit?
Because it's not the same size. It's set to a specific size.
Oh, yeah, right. It's bigger.
So up, we push. Alright, I'm gonna squeeze it. Perfect. And then you can grab the small one. Up, and go through. Up, you wanna grab this one? Doesn't wanna come?
Exactly.
A bit of a pain. And we're gonna put it on the tray there.